There are many options that bridge the gap well for people who, for reasons of practicality, won't make the switch from affordable to luxurious vehicles. We're referring to companies like Acura that specialize in providing luxury at significantly lower costs. Acura is a manufacturer that places the utmost importance on the trust the owner places in the vehicle, and they typically engineer their vehicles so that you do not have to worry too much about maintenance and repairs. Particularly when coming from a parent brand like Honda, this is true. However, there have been ongoing issues like transmission problems and battery drain. Acura puts a lot of dependability into the design of its vehicles, and this dedication is evident in both the product's aesthetics and its after-sales support. Being a luxury vehicle, every single repair could cost several $1,000s, so it is best if nothing goes wrong. We should look at the various complaints that customers have made about this specific car in order to better understand this. This will help us understand the problems with Acura MDXs better. However, since this generation has only been available since 2022, we will have less information about it. Anyway, let's take a closer look on the 2022 Acura MDX issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Brake issues. According to few owners, the vehicle's brakes are reportedly inoperable. The Acura dealership has tried several fixes, but the warning light continues to flash. Transmission problems. When shifting from park to reverse or drive, a few owners have complained that the car makes noises. Even though the car had only been driven up to 1,000 miles, they discovered transmission fluid leaking. The issue is relatively widespread. Even brand new cars have experienced a great deal of unreliability with this particular component. Sound deadening. One owner complained that whistling noises could be heard while driving. This occurs between 40 and 65 miles per hour and is primarily caused by wind noise. Sudden brakening. The drivers claimed that the car's safety systems were broken. It was speeding down a highway when it suddenly braked. Ironically, given that the system is designed to prevent accidents, this almost resulted in one. Despite only going on sale this year, the current generation has already received 27 complaints. There haven't been any recalls, possibly because the company is still looking into the problem. Should you buy it? The Acura MDX current generation has only been in production since 2022, but it has already proven to be a very popular vehicle. Additionally, it is strong, attractive, and useful. There is also an incredibly fun-to-drive Acura MDX Type S version. Plus, this vehicle has a ton of features, technology, and luxury. We believe this car performs well in its category in terms of dependability. We would confidently advise you to purchase it if you asked for our opinion. The market still considers it to be a very good value proposition.